What's up, y'all? It's your girl Brandy from Stay Snatched, and today we're making air fryer beef jerky. It's actually so easy to make, and it's tender, it's chewy, loaded with flavor, and it's a healthy option for you. So first you want to take 1.5 pounds of sirloin tip steak and then cut that into small slices about 1/8 of an inch thick. You can slice this up however thick you like, however you want your beef jerky to be. Then you want to take 1/3 cup of soy sauce and add that to a bowl, along with 1/2 cup of brown sweetener or brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of liquid smoke, 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, and then your spices. You have 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, and then an optional 1 teaspoon of red cayenne pepper for additional heat. And then you want to take your cut sirloin tip and add that to the mixture. Give everything a good stir so that the meat is fully coated in the marinade. And then you want to marinate that for up to 24 hours for at least 4 hours. Once that has finished marinating, completely dry out that beef with paper towels. And then you want to take some bamboo skewers and hang that beef along the skewers. Be sure that the beef does not touch so that it has room to kind of air out and breathe. And then place that skewer in the air fryer basket. And then air fry on 180 degrees for 60 to 75 minutes. And this is a second method that you can do. You can simply add the beef to the air fryer basket and air fry on 180 degrees for 2 to 3 hours. And there you have it, air fryer beef jerky.